Alright guys, so the blue truck's been acting up and we'll go drop it off right now to get the transmission worked on. I honestly think it's the solenoids. They're so usually whenever the trucks don't shift, like it could be like second or third gear or whatever, it's usually the solenoids that are burned out. Keep in mind the truck's old as shit. The AC stopped working again, and yeah man, it sucks right now. Like it seriously sucks. So we're gonna drop it off at Hernan's Transmissions, homeboy from high school. We're gonna see if it makes it, and well, we're gonna see what's wrong with it really. I'm gonna drop it off. I had a little bit of time this morning. A customer dropped off. You see what it does? It gets stuck right there, and then boom, fucking hit it, and then it shifts. It's weird, but yeah, we're gonna drop it off. I had a little bit of time this morning to go take it because this customer dropped off his truck and for some reason he forgot his lock, or he wasn't aware that he had a lock on the wheels. So I'm waiting on that, and then got some other stuff to take care of. So might as well go drop off the truck because I mean I can't even really drive it. It started acting up Saturday. I went to go drop off a kit over there with 610 wheels and tires, and it just started doing this shit, and I was just like, fuck man, I'm gonna get stranded here. But yeah, we'll see what's up. Go drop it off right now, talk to him. I don't know if he's gonna be there or his dad's gonna be there, or one of his guys, and then we'll see what they're gonna do. Okay guys, so this is what we're working on today. The truck was originally done by Reckless. They did a 3.5 kit on it, so basically in the back is just the rear hanger, the flip kit, and then the drop shocks. Already went ahead and took everything off. What the kit consists of is those adjustable stretcher McGoys and the 2-inch drop spindles. So that's how they give you either a 3 or 4. What we're gonna do to this one is just replace everything, and also we're going to do the IHC kit on his. Let's see what he got. Get his keys right now. Okay, so I told him to just go ahead and get everything brand new. You know, he went ahead and got the struts. He went ahead and brought me the stock spindles. We got them sandblasted right now, and all the stock parts are right here. He went ahead and got the struts. Those are part number 207-65198. We also got the outer tie rods. Those are also stock. They look a lot like the Moog ones. That one's part number 193-90750. Those are also in here. Real nice. Let's see. You guys can see it. And then the strut mounts and the actual struts. And what else? The inner tie rods too. All original. We're gonna head and put all that stuff on, and the IHC kit. Alright guys, so just to give you guys a better overlook at the parts, kind of dark right now, shine some light. So these are your inner tie rods right here. This guy, this would be your outer. It's the one I'm telling you guys, it kind of looks like a Moog part. Your strut, original strut, real nice, comes with everything, the strut cup and the hardware. The bottom, all you really need is the bolts. So I don't know if you guys want to write these parts down. For the actual strut, the part number from GM, it is an AC Delco part. It's 207-65198. And then as far as the strut mounts, which I highly recommend to change these out, it's going to be a KYB part. That one, the part is SM5530. And then if you still want to do something good and get you some outer tie rods from AC Delco, the part number on that one's also a GM part. It's 193-90750. And then the inner tie rods, mentioned them earlier, those are 192-37835. And the AC Delco part number is a 45A2169. So just double check them, reference them, and everything. I can't really put it back together today because I'm missing one part. Literally the little, I call them like, they look almost like a little underwear. Protects the strut from like dirt and stuff. This thing right here, this one's old. It's already coming apart. You can like literally peel it. Just getting those come in tomorrow. Like I said, his spindles are all rusted out. We got them sandblasted, so those are good to go. Probably just paint those and just put the outer tie rods on. I mean the inner tie rods, put those guys on so those be ready. And change out the flip kit, the drop shocks, and then it's gonna be a whole IHC. I think this one we're gonna set it like at a 4.5 because he had a 3.5, but his wheels they clear. He has 22s. The tire size is a 285/40/22, and he is rolling on the Trailblazer stocks. So we're gonna do that. I'll get as much as I can done today on this one, and then I'll show you guys the finished product tomorrow. Just give you a little overview over everything. But he is getting the IHC kit. These control arms, part of the bushings fell off already. See, like this one's missing it right here. It's supposed to have like a metal bushing here. It's actually on the floor. I'll show you. This is why we don't run these stock parts. It's not that we don't run them, we just don't drop the trucks with those stock parts. Just give you new control arms. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, it's getting new struts, strut mounts, inner outer tie rods, and that little underwear part that protects it. Same bellows, stock spindles, stock everything. But yeah, so I'll show you guys what's up, and then see how the truck sits. Real nice color.